Welcome to story time. Danny's drum by squiggly lines. One day, Danny was playing with his dog Dodo. Suddenly, his dad called, "Danny, Danny, come home." Danny said, "Dad, give me 5 minutes." Dad replied, "You need to come home now, Danny." Danny came inside and saw his dad in the room. Dad said, "Look, Danny, your toy cupboard is still not clean. You promised you'd clean it up." Danny said, "I'm sorry, Dad. I'll clean it up right away." He started cleaning, but soon found his old doll and began playing with it. Dad called out again,
Danny, please manage your time and clean up fast.
So Danny quickly started taking out all his toys. Then he found an old drum. He smiled and said, "Let me play this for a bit." He began singing, "See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drum." Dad called again.
Danny, are you done?
Danny said, "Almost, Dad." He quickly put all the toys back, the dog, duck and doll, except for his drum. Then he went to his dad, smiling, "All done and time for my drum." Dad laughed and said,
Good job, Danny.
"The end."